What the Fabernacle bull is this? See, this is what I get for trying some new stuff. Hey sunshines, welcome back to Slimthick Curls. So today I'm going to be doing another protective style with this crochet hair. If you haven't already seen my previous videos where I tried to resurrect it back to life and another video of me taking it out, go ahead and check those videos out. And basically, I'm just trying to get this hairstyle right. The first time it was a complete hot mess. I've already prepped the hair by shampooing and conditioning it. Now I just need to start back from the basics and jump on YouTube and figure out what the heck I'm doing. So to help me out with this, I'm going to follow a video titled No Cornrows, Full Head of Illusion Individuals, 2 Methods, Crochet Braid, Mary Kay Bella, Toil Tress. So I'm following this video by Mary Kay Bella, and I'm going to follow method 1, where she shows you how to braid your hair where it looks like cornrows, but it's not. Because your girl can't cornrow. And I noticed that we are both using the same brand, which is the Toil Tress brand. However, I'll be using the Tiana Passion Twist in 10 inches, and the color is T1B30. So the products that I'll be using today are my Main Choice Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Restorative Spray, along with their sealing cream. And I'm also going to use my 24-hour Edge Tamer Extra Mega Hold. So keep watching to see how it turns out. And don't forget to subscribe and smash that notification bell. I'm not really concerned with the parts being 100% straight because no one's going to really see them. I hope this box isn't too small. I feel like I'm gonna be braiding forever if I try to braid every braid all the way down. So I think I'm gonna braid either 1/4 of the way or halfway down for each one, just to speed up this process. And the parts will probably not be the best, especially as it once was the back, but it is what it is.
Lose a little self-control, even if I get exposed. And it's alright. Oh, at least you can say that I'm trying. I wanna get lost in the storm. In the storm, no conversations I have with myself. A lot in here that I'm dying to tell. Keeping quiet, cause it's all I know. Oh, push away, but it keeps coming back. Can't contain the emotions I have. In and out, gotta let it go.
Don't judge the braiding process, y'all. I already said I'm not the best braider, but we gonna make this work. It may not look the best, but I promise this method, it helps me a ton.
Let it wash away, let it wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, wash away. Let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, let it rain, wash away. Let it pour.
So I gotta make sure that my hair is not dry and crusty underneath this protective style. So I'm going to be applying my restorative spray, and then once I have that in there, I'm going to be sealing it with their moisture sealing cream. Once I get that all slicked in good, I'm going to braid my hair up into one braid. Can't even say one big braid because my hair is so thin. But once that's in a braid, I'm going to take that one braid and tuck it into my hair. So it's going to be a weaving method that you're going to see me do right here. And I'm doing this so that my hair isn't sticking out while it's in the crochet. Alright, so it's finally time to install this crochet hair. It's been a long night, y'all. I've been up, it's after midnight at this point. I was so tired and so sleepy. You could probably see it in my face and in my eyes. I thought I could tough it out and finish this hairstyle that night. But I had to be real with myself and say, girl, you know your bedtime is 9 o'clock. If you don't take your tail to sleep. But we finally get to the morning after. And let there be lights. Alright, let's get into how I install these crochet passion twists into my head. So I start off by taking the crochet needle and pointing it down in the direction that I want the hair to lay. The hook is already open by the time I pass it through the braid, but if it's not, all I have to do is just open it up. Then I place the loop from the twist onto the hook and close the hook so I can slide the twist through my braid. Once the twist makes it through my braid, I remove the crochet needle, open the loop up on the twist, and pull the twist through the loop. I am not a professional crochet expert, but I wanted to share with you guys what I was doing in the video.
Just got home and you turn on some blues. Then tell me you're hungry. I go order Chinese. Wednesday night it's easy love with you. Okay.
What the frabbernacle bull is this? See, this is what I get for trying some new stuff. I'm thinking because it's from the same company, I would be okay. No. Look at this. It's curling up. This is supposed to be slicked down. Let me go back to what I know. Yes, honey, yes. Yes, you read that right. Moisturized crochet hair. Now I know this hair is not real. It's just made up of a whole bunch of fibers. But it likes it when I use the Main Choice products. And plus these products smell good. So if I can have a little hair perfume, I might as well, and the hair will be soft. So it's a win-win. So I'm just going to follow the same process I did with my real hair. Spray it with the restorative spray and seal it with the sealing cream. Alright, edges are laid, hair is moisturized and sealed, so now I'm just going to put it in a ponytail and put a scarf on and let my hair set for 10 minutes. My north, you my south, you my east, you my west. When you see me at my worst, try to make me feel my best. This love, we can't deny it. Yeah, you know how I like it, baby. Got me tangled all up in these sheets. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And let me know down in the comments how you think this hairstyle turned out. Toodles.